What if I told you that every time you buy data, shop at a store, or see a truck delivering goods, you're witnessing the real engine of Ghana's economy? That's right. While we've talked about struggling industries and growing agriculture, there's one sector that's absolutely dominating right now. According to the latest SAS Research report, the services sector is responsible for more than half of Ghana's economic growth. If you're looking for where to put your investment money, you need to understand what's happening here. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal investment guide in investing in the African stock market. Let's look at the incredible numbers from the report. 6.4% year-on-year growth. The services sector grew by 6.4% compared to last year. That's faster than the overall economy. 2.6 percentage point contribution. Remember Ghana's total 4.5% growth. Services alone contributed 2.6% of that. That's more than agriculture and industry combined. Above 2024 levels, the momentum is getting even stronger than last year. This is the part of the economy that doesn't produce physical goods, but provides, well, services. It includes everything from your mobile data provider, to the shop where you buy groceries, to the transport company that delivers goods. So which specific service areas are booming? The report highlights three main drivers. Wholesale and retail trade. That's all the shops, markets, and businesses selling goods. They're benefiting from improved supply conditions and steady consumer spending. When people have money to spend, this sector wins. Information and communication. This is the digital revolution in action. Strong demand for data and digital services is powering this sector. Think about how much data you use now compared to a few years ago. That growth is making companies in this space very profitable. Transport and storage. With increased movement of goods, thanks to all that retail trade, transport and storage companies are busy and growing. More trade means more things need to be moved and stored. Now, the million CD question: how can you, as an investor, get a piece of this action? The great thing about the services sector is that it's full of companies you already know and use every day. Here are some ways to think about investing. Telecom companies, like MTN and Airtel, that provide the data services everyone's using. Retail and distribution companies, businesses that operate stores or distribute goods. Logistics companies, firms involved in transport and storage. Financial services, banks that support all this business activity. Tech companies, those providing digital solutions and platforms. However, remember these considerations. This sector relies on people having money to spend. If the economy slows down, it could affect services. Popular sectors often have lots of competition. Popular growing companies might be more expensive to buy into. The services sector is clearly the star performer in Ghana's economy right now. It's modern, it's growing fast, and it touches all our daily lives. For investors looking for growth opportunities, this is definitely a sector to put on your research list. Always do your own deep research before investing in any company or sector. Which part of the services sector excites you most? Retail, digital tech, or transport? Let me know which one you'd be most interested in investing in and why. If this opened your eyes to investment opportunities, share this with someone who needs to see it.